so where am I? It's 30. It's wait, where's the mirror so I can see? Here's the mirror. So it's okay. So it's, see that there? There we go. All right. It's 15, 14, 30 November, whatever. I got two cameras going, and let me zoom in on this one here, just ever so briefly. Not the most perfect thing in the world, oh well. Let's see. So this Aiwa CS-600C as in cat, and can't remember what I was doing. Not there. Okay, no, it was down here. Okay. So here I have it. Wait, which one is this? That's the 600. Okay, so no, not that. Okay, here's a 660. Let's see here. Well, we can just do that. Okay, so there's a 660, which I have that does work, but I haven't made a video about it, or if ever. So there's that one. Right, so that's what that does. And then I have the service manual for the 600 and all that, and let's see, I've got all this instructions on how to do that. Alright, and then I've got, okay, here we go. I have the 600 and the, I can't remember which direction to go. I don't want to go that way. No, well, so yeah, so there's, this takes 9D batteries. Okay, no, don't go to that way. Wait. Anyway, this takes 9D batteries. What is this picture of? That's that. That's the 6. Okay, so go back to here. So I've got the service manual. All right, and now let me. Wait, I need the mirror so I can see. Because I'm sitting down, I've got this on a tripod, so let me put this down over here and bring it down like that, okay? And then let me take this one here and wide it out and bring it down to here. There we go. So what you've been listening to in the background is the CD player playing. Okay, so CD player play, right? So dance, and again, and whatever song that is. Okay. And that's with the DSL off, so. See, no bass. Add bass. It doesn't have it only has a balance, tone, volume, tape selector, normal and metal, stereo mono, line-in radio and tape, 4 bands, AM, FM, and the other 2, and your tuning knob, and that's it. Right? But now let me turn this off. There's the radio. Radio works. There's that one, shortwave. I don't have the antenna up, but here's the antenna. Okay, whoopee. And here's that one. Might be something there, who knows. And here's, what is that? Medium wave, so. Yeah. Nothing on medium wave, but I don't listen. Maybe it switches. Well, could be something there. Something there.
I could get outside, Tom.
Anyway, so that works. But now let me turn this off and hit eject. Fast forward. Wait. No. Won't do anything. And I can't hear the motor run. Nothing like that, so Anyway, that's all I know. So, the radio works, line in works, tape deck doesn't do a darn thing, right? So, let me just flip this around and show you the rest of it. So there's that. Okay, and then here is in the back of it. Okay. I got, you know, plugged into the whatever. That's the line out. External speakers, your OSC for your recording off of whatever. Your dual input mics. This takes 90 batteries. They go in there. Tape deck doesn't work. And then you've got external microphones for there. Over here you have a AC input. That's it. There is no DC input. Okay, so let's see here. On this end there's nothing. And on this end there's just the AC. So we unplug that. We really have no power. Or plug it back in, but okay, so that's all I know. It's a gloomy day. It's rainy, cloudy, all that. I just thought I'd show this to you real quick before I try to repair it. Okay. Let me take this off here. So the other day I repaired that thing there. Okay. And so now we're going to turn to this. So Stephen, hi Stephen, see you, gotta go, thanks for watching, good day, bye-bye. Finish, 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 come on, there we go. Alright, and then of course, deletion settings, never delete, post now, there we go, so now it's posting, okay, see that? Alright, good day, bye, thanks for watching, just check out, or, you know, test it, whatever, bye-bye.